Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your HUAWEI MatePad T8, for the first you have to open the notification bar, and if your icon is not activated, the Bluetooth icon, you have to just click on it. And right now we have to click and hold. And right now we got the device right here in the available devices. There's my smartphone, the HUAWEI P30 Pro. So right now we can connect. And you get the notification on your HUAWEI MatePad and also on the smartphone. So just accept the pair on the both devices. Okay, and as you can see right now it's paired. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.